how you can design a website in Squarespace. So I'm going to use my website as an example. Once you get in, on your right hand side, you're going to have like your actual website where you can edit, and then your left hand side is more of like the pages, SEO, more of the technical things. So over here on website, you're going to have pages, which is what creates this menu pretty much for you right here at the top. So when I click pages, anything I add into here will end up popping up over here. So if you want to add a blank page to start from scratch, you would do that here. Or they offer you sections already, such as, pages already, such as blog, store, portfolio, so on, so forth. And you would add that in here. So let's say you were going to add a page, you would simply click the plus, blog. It lets you pick out what type of layout you would like for your blog. And once you click that, it inserts the blog page into here. Over here, you would go ahead and name this accordingly, so that way it's SEO correct and it's better to pop up and it all connected with Google and all those things. So you want to make sure this is correct. Once you have that set in, then it's going to pop this up where you could add like a blog in, for instance, or as well, you can click settings right here, and this is where you're going to deal with all the main technical things for that page specifically. So your SEO for your blog, you would add in here, and all those things, general, your social image, so on and so forth. If you do not want a page, you simply go to pages. Right next to it, you would click the trash and delete. Anything you're going to actually edit on your website, like the actual design, you're going to do right here. Make sure you're on the page you want to edit first. So if I want to edit something on the home page, I'm going to make sure I'm on the home page. I'll click edit. And then from here, I'm just going to start seeing everything in sections. This is where you can add images, add sections. You just simply click here. These are for like banners. Squarespace is really great with helping out and giving you already a bunch of options. And then all you have to do is fill in your actual information, replace images with your photos, so on and so forth. Making sure that SEO for those images too are correct. A way you can do that is when you click the image, you can click the pencil, and the pencil is going to pop this up, and then right over here you can put exactly the SEO it is that you need. So this one actually I can put here. I'm not saying these SEOs are correct, this is just what works for me. So you go ahead and you would do that, and then now this image is SEO ready, and you want to make sure all your paragraphs and wordings have very good, target keywords that pop up on Google, so your website is more likely to come up over other websites because there's a lot of keywords that are popular that you're using. So yeah, this is a quick gist on how you use Squarespace and design your website, and also a little bit of the technical background right over here for your SEO and so on and so forth.